So hi everybody, welcome to our brand new video series to introduce you our top-notch office building in Hanoi. So today I'm standing here with Mr. Thomas Rooney to present you a very special project. So hi Tom.
Hi Chi, I'm Tom, I'm from Savills, Vietnam. I'm the leasing manager for Savills commercial leasing in Hanoi.
Yeah, so what do we have today? So you will tour us around the capital place?
Yes, so today we're here to see this building. I'm really happy to be here today. It's one of the most exciting grade A office buildings in Hanoi. So we'll take a walk around the outside of the building. We will see some retail and some office space. Okay. Give you a bit of an idea of the building.
Okay, nice.
So should we make a move?
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, so where are we now?
We're now in the retail section of the building, which is actually located in the basement level 1. What we have in this section is over 4,000 square meters of retail space. At the moment we have a number of different cafes, restaurants, all international and local F&B.
Oh, that's nice. Anything more?
Yes, so the level is actually connected on the Kim Ma side to the new metro, which should be complete in around a few years from now. So I think the access in and out of the building for commuters, daily workers in the building will be really good.
That's very great. Okay, so now we're going to the office levels, right?
Yes, before we make our way to the office level, I'd like to speak a bit about the elevator system. So in total over the whole project in the 2 towers we have 32 passenger elevators. The elevators themselves are the highest weight capacity at 1,800 kilograms per elevator, and also the fastest elevators in Hanoi, moving at around 6 meters per second.
Wow, nice.
So should we make our way?
Okay. Wow, so beautiful.
Yes.
So Thomas, I see that the building is very tall. So how many levels are there?
In Capital Place there are 37 levels. We have 2 towers and we have over 94,000 square meters of office space.
Oh, that's quite big, right? So I thought that the floor is quite large. So how big is the net leasable area of one floor?
Yes, the floor plate is very open, very large. The floor plate size depends on the zone. So each tower has 2 zones. We have the low zone up to level 19 and we have the high zone from level 20 to level 37. So in the low zone it is around 1,200 square meters of net leasable space, and in the high zone around 1,300 square meters.
Okay, that's nice. Hey
Chi, so as you can see we have some fantastic panoramic views over the iconic Westlake.
Wow, that's nice. So what's about the location? Why so good?
Well, the main points about this location is that there are a lot of amenities in the area. Also, the access to all of the districts in Hanoi is very good, and we have suitable access to the airport as well.
That's very great. Thank you for watching. This is our first video in the series. Please watch out for the next.
Ciao!